Welcome back to Power Tools Pro. Today we're featuring 20 all-new Milwaukee tools that are transforming the way pros and DIYers work in 2026. From powerful grinders to cordless blowers, ratchets, and innovative inspection tools, these Milwaukee tools combine power, precision, and portability to take your projects to the next level. The Milwaukee M18 dual-trigger braking grinder is engineered for unmatched control, safety, and performance in cutting, grinding, and finishing applications. Its dual-trigger paddle switch allows instant start and stop, reducing kickback and improving accuracy. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers longer runtime, increased power, and extended durability compared to conventional grinders. The grinder's compact design allows easy access to tight spaces, while the one-key connectivity lets you track usage, adjust speed settings, and monitor maintenance schedules from your smartphone. Built for heavy-duty job site use, it withstands continuous work in harsh conditions. Ideal for metal fabrication, masonry, and general construction, this grinder maximizes efficiency, reduces operator fatigue, and ensures precise professional results in every cut or grind. The Milwaukee M12 AutoShop Borescope is an essential inspection tool for automotive mechanics, electricians, and professional technicians. Its flexible, high-resolution camera can access tight, hard-to-reach areas, such as engine compartments, HVAC systems, and behind walls. Wi-Fi file sharing capability enables instant transfer of images and videos to smartphones or tablets, perfect for diagnostics, documentation, or client reporting. Designed for comfort and precision, the Borescope features ergonomic controls and adjustable lighting for clear visibility in dark or enclosed spaces. Lightweight yet durable, it withstands tough shop conditions. By enabling fast and accurate inspections, it reduces guesswork, prevents costly mistakes, and improves workflow efficiency. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike will find this tool indispensable for identifying issues quickly and completing repairs with confidence. The Milwaukee M18 Brushless Blower is a versatile, cordless solution for cleaning dust, debris, and yard leaves efficiently. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers high airflow with long battery life, providing professional performance without cords. Its lightweight, ergonomic design reduces user fatigue during prolonged use, while variable speed control allows precise adjustments for delicate or heavy-duty tasks. Durable construction ensures the blower withstands demanding job site conditions. Compatible with M18 batteries, it integrates seamlessly into Milwaukee's extensive cordless system. Ideal for construction, landscaping, workshop cleanup, or general maintenance, the M18 Brushless Blower improves productivity, minimizes setup time, and ensures consistent results. This tool is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking efficient, powerful, and portable cleaning solutions. The Milwaukee M18 Brushless String Trimmer offers powerful performance, cordless convenience, and professional-grade precision for lawn and yard maintenance. Its brushless motor ensures extended runtime, increased torque, and long-term durability. Adjustable cutting head and ergonomic handle reduce fatigue while providing precise trimming and edging. Designed to accommodate M18 batteries, it integrates with Milwaukee's ecosystem for maximum flexibility. Lightweight yet durable, it excels in residential and commercial landscaping applications, allowing users to tackle thick grass, weeds, and light brush with ease. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts benefit from faster, cleaner cutting, greater efficiency, and reduced physical strain. The M18 Brushless String Trimmer is the ultimate cordless solution for maintaining professional-grade yards and outdoor spaces. The Milwaukee M12 FUEL 1/2-inch Ratchet is a compact, high-performance tool designed for automotive, mechanical, and construction applications. Its brushless motor delivers extended runtime, superior torque, and increased efficiency compared to conventional ratchets. The variable speed trigger allows precise control for delicate or heavy fastening tasks, while its compact design ensures accessibility in tight or confined spaces. Compatible with M12 batteries, it integrates seamlessly with Milwaukee's cordless lineup. Professionals value its ergonomic handle for comfort, durability for continuous use, and reliable performance in demanding environments. Lightweight yet powerful, the M12 FUEL Ratchet simplifies repetitive fastening jobs, increases productivity, reduces manual effort, and provides professional quality results, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. The Milwaukee M18 Brushless Precision Blower is designed for precision cleaning in workshops, job sites, and outdoor applications. Its brushless motor delivers powerful airflow with extended runtime, allowing for effective removal of dust, dirt, and debris without cords. The variable speed trigger provides precise control for delicate cleaning tasks, while the ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during prolonged use. Lightweight yet durable, it can withstand demanding job site conditions and integrate seamlessly with Milwaukee's M18 battery system. Professionals and DIYers benefit from faster cleanup, improved efficiency, and reduced setup time. This blower is ideal for electronics, cabinetry, power tools, or any environment where precision airflow is essential, combining portability, power, and reliability in one compact tool. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL 3-in-1 Backpack Vacuum is an advanced cleaning solution for professional job sites and workshops. Its brushless motor delivers powerful suction, while the backpack design allows hands-free operation, reducing user strain and fatigue. It functions as a backpack, handheld, or utility vacuum, providing versatile cleaning for floors, corners, and tight spaces. Integrated filters capture fine dust and debris, ensuring cleaner work environments. Compact, durable, and compatible with M18 batteries, it offers portability without sacrificing performance. Ideal for wood shops, construction sites, or automotive cleaning, this vacuum boosts productivity, simplifies maintenance, and delivers professional quality results with minimal effort. Professionals appreciate its efficiency, ergonomics, and reliability. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL Surge 1/4-inch hex hydraulic driver is engineered for ultimate precision, speed, and power in fastening applications. Its hydraulic drive system allows smooth, controlled torque delivery, reducing fastener damage and providing consistent results. The brushless motor ensures longer runtime and extended tool life, while the ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during repetitive tasks. Compact and lightweight, it excels in tight spaces, making it perfect for cabinetry, assembly, or mechanical applications. Compatible with M18 batteries, it integrates into Milwaukee's ecosystem for maximum efficiency. Professionals benefit from faster, more accurate fastening, improved workflow, and reduced physical strain, making this hydraulic driver a must-have tool for high-precision work. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL 21-inch Auger propelled snowblower is a powerful cordless solution for heavy-duty winter cleanup. Featuring dual battery technology, it delivers high torque and extended runtime to tackle snow efficiently. The Auger propelled design reduces operator effort, while ergonomic handles and adjustable chute direction provide maximum control. Its brushless motor ensures durability and long-term performance, ideal for residential, commercial, and professional use. Lightweight and portable, it eliminates the hassles of gas-powered blowers, reducing maintenance and emissions. Professionals and homeowners alike benefit from faster, cleaner snow removal, improved safety, and superior performance. The M18 FUEL Snowblower combines portability, power, and reliability to make winter cleanup effortless and efficient. The Milwaukee PACKOUT Rack Kit is a modular, customizable storage solution for tools, accessories, and hardware on job sites. Its rugged construction ensures durability under heavy loads, while integrated rails and mounting options allow users to secure gear and organize efficiently. Designed to integrate with the PACKOUT ecosystem, it offers stackable storage and portability without sacrificing accessibility. The kit is ideal for contractors, tradespeople, and DIYers who need organized mobile storage for tools and parts. Easy to transport and set up, it saves time, reduces clutter, and ensures that tools are always ready for use. The PACKOUT Rack Kit enhances workflow, productivity, and organization, making it an essential addition to any professional or personal workshop. The Milwaukee diagonal cutting pliers are built for precision cutting in electrical, mechanical, and general construction applications. Featuring hardened cutting edges, these pliers effortlessly slice through wire, nails, and cable ties, ensuring clean, accurate cuts every time. Ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue during prolonged use and improve grip control for precision tasks. Compact and durable, these pliers can reach tight spaces while withstanding heavy-duty job site conditions. Ideal for electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts, the tool combines portability, strength, and accuracy. Professionals benefit from faster, safer, and more efficient wire cutting, making the Milwaukee diagonal cutting pliers an essential addition to every toolkit. The Milwaukee NEXUS dedicated filter cleaner is a powerful portable solution for cleaning filters from vacuums, tools, or industrial equipment. It uses high-pressure air to remove fine dust and debris without damaging delicate filters, ensuring optimal airflow and extended filter life. Its compact, durable design allows easy transport and use across job sites. Compatible with Milwaukee M18 batteries, it provides cordless convenience and reliable performance. Professionals appreciate its efficiency, reducing downtime and maintenance while improving safety and tool longevity. This tool is perfect for workshops, construction sites, and automotive environments, offering a fast, effective, and safe method to maintain equipment performance. Milwaukee SHOCKWAVE Impact Duty driver bits are engineered for extreme durability, delivering exceptional performance under high torque. Designed for impact drivers, these bits resist wear, chipping, and stripping, providing long-lasting precision on wood, metal, and composite materials. Their heat-treated steel construction ensures reliability under professional job site conditions, while the anti-cam-out design maximizes control and reduces fastener damage. SHOCKWAVE bits provide versatility across drilling, fastening, and assembly applications. Professionals and DIYers benefit from increased efficiency, reduced bit replacement, and improved fastening performance. Lightweight and portable, they fit seamlessly into existing Milwaukee kits, making them an indispensable accessory for every tradesperson seeking speed, accuracy, and reliability. The Milwaukee M18 HOTSHOT Jumpstarter is a compact, high-capacity solution for jump-starting vehicles in any condition. Powered by M18 batteries, it delivers reliable cranking power to start cars, trucks, or equipment without requiring a traditional power source. Its compact, ergonomic design allows easy portability, making it ideal for garages, job sites, and emergency applications. Built with safety features such as reverse polarity protection and overload protection, it ensures safe operation for all users. Professionals, fleet operators, and DIYers rely on the HOTSHOT Jumpstarter for rapid response to battery failures. Lightweight yet powerful, it enhances safety, efficiency, and reliability, making it an essential tool for automotive and emergency applications. The Milwaukee 3/4-inch pruners are designed for precise cutting in gardening, landscaping, and arborist applications. Their hardened steel blades provide clean, efficient cuts through branches up to 3/4 inches in diameter, minimizing plant stress and ensuring smooth pruning. Ergonomic, non-slip handles reduce hand fatigue during extended use, while the durable construction withstands frequent job site or outdoor conditions. Professionals and DIY gardeners alike benefit from precision, safety, and efficiency when shaping, trimming, or maintaining trees and shrubs. Lightweight and easy to handle, these pruners combine performance, comfort, and durability, making them a must-have tool for landscaping and horticulture work. The Milwaukee 2-inch Lopper is a professional-grade cutting tool for thick branches, shrubs, and small tree maintenance. Featuring dual compound leverage, it multiplies cutting force while minimizing hand effort, providing smooth, precise cuts up to 2 inches in diameter. Its ergonomic anti-slip handles enhance comfort during prolonged use, while durable heat-treated steel blades ensure long-lasting performance. Ideal for landscapers, arborists, and gardeners, the Lopper reduces fatigue, improves productivity, and delivers professional quality results. Lightweight and portable, it excels in pruning, shaping, and clearing applications, combining power, control, and reliability in a single tool. The M12 FUEL Subcompact Impact Wrench delivers compact, high-torque performance for automotive, mechanical, and construction tasks. Its brushless motor ensures longer runtime and increased efficiency, while the friction ring design provides quick, easy socket changes. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reaches confined spaces without sacrificing power, ideal for tightening or loosening nuts, bolts, and fasteners in tight areas. Compatible with M12 batteries, it integrates seamlessly into the Milwaukee Cordless system. Professionals benefit from faster, more precise fastening, reduced fatigue, and reliable job site performance. The M12 FUEL Subcompact Impact Wrench is perfect for mechanics, technicians, and DIYers seeking portability, power, and accuracy in a compact tool. The Milwaukee M18 FUEL Steel Pipe Cutter is a cordless solution designed for fast, clean, and precise pipe cutting. Its brushless motor delivers maximum torque for cutting steel, copper, or aluminum pipes with minimal effort. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits into tight spaces on job sites. Variable speed controls ensure accurate cuts without burrs, while durable construction withstands heavy-duty use. Compatible with M18 batteries, it integrates seamlessly into the Milwaukee Cordless ecosystem. Professionals appreciate its efficiency, portability, and safety features, reducing manual strain and improving job site productivity. The M18 FUEL Steel Pipe Cutter is perfect for plumbing, HVAC, and mechanical applications requiring precision and reliability. The M12 FUEL High-Speed Chain Snake is a compact cordless pipe cleaning solution for professionals. Its brushless motor drives fast, consistent rotation to remove clogs, debris, and obstructions in pipes ranging from 1 1/4 inch to 2 inches. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it allows comfortable use in tight spaces while providing precise control. M12 battery compatibility ensures mobility and integration with other Milwaukee tools. Durable construction withstands heavy use, delivering consistent performance in challenging conditions. Ideal for plumbers, maintenance workers, and DIY enthusiasts, the M12 FUEL High-Speed Chain Snake improves efficiency, reduces effort, and ensures thorough, professional-quality pipe cleaning every time. The M18 FUEL 10-gauge nibbler is a high-powered cordless tool designed for cutting metal sheets, steel, and aluminum with clean, precise edges. Its brushless motor delivers extended runtime and consistent power, while the lightweight, ergonomic design reduces operator fatigue. Ideal for HVAC, roofing, and sheet metal applications, it provides smooth, burr-free cuts without sparks. Variable speed control allows precision cutting for detailed work, while durable construction ensures longevity under job site conditions. Compatible with M18 batteries, it integrates seamlessly into Milwaukee's cordless ecosystem. Professionals benefit from faster, more precise metal cutting, enhanced safety, and improved efficiency, making the 10-gauge nibbler an essential tool for sheet metal work. Thanks for watching. If you're a pro or DIY enthusiast, these 20 Milwaukee tools are must-haves for 2026. From cordless grinders and blowers to precision ratchets and snowblowers, Milwaukee combines power, reliability, and innovation to make your work faster, safer, and more efficient. Subscribe for more tool updates.